YouTube. Jim here, Little Shop on the Prairie. Well, we pulled the trigger. I placed my order with Shopsmith. Everything went well on the PowerPro 2.0. Going to be a couple weeks before they are able to ship it, but I ordered it. So I guess from you guys, if you don't mind, like, subscribe, and click the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment if you don't mind. If you want anything in particular that you're questioning about on the 2.0, so when I get ready to do the install and open the box and all that stuff, I'm going to go to try to videotape it, but I'd like to know if there's something special you want to see. That way I can make sure while I'm taping that I get that covered. Because we all I think we're all in the same boat. We're really wondering, again, like I said, it is a lot of money. So I want to give an honest review on whether or not it ends up being worth it. And from your point also, if you want to see something special on it that I can show you that's not sponsored and not going to be glorifying anything. I'm going to try to be as honest as I can. I don't know that I'm going to videotape every bit of it unless you want me to, because there's a video out there that Jim McCann did from Shopsmith, and he did the update, and it's very well detailed, and it shows exactly what it takes to do it. So I don't know that I need to duplicate that, but I will make sure that I'm taping enough that if there's something that becomes hard or difficult for me to do, I will let you know that part of it, because I'll be doing it for the first time. Jim McCann probably built who knows how many before he made the video. Not trying to knock him at all, but I'm sure he had practice. So you'll see it from my side of being like you and not really knowing for sure. So, oh yeah, I have a new special purpose tool on my Shopsmith that I've been doing. Right here, it's a new special purpose tool. It's a little sewing machine. I'm working on the curtains for my camper shell, and I'm not a seamstress, but I am a woodworker, so I don't use those needles very good for holding. I'm doing a little they call it a hem, I guess. So I'm just using some woodworking clamps to hold it in place. So anyway, the table's real. I like the Shopsmith table because I have the height up high enough where I can see what I'm doing as I'm sewing. But I'm not very good at it. I did, let's see if this one has any. I did one seam. Oh, here it is. I don't know if it'll show, but you see how straight of a line that is of a stitch? But it's a seam, so I thought you'd like a laugh, I don't just do woodworking around here. Anyway, I will keep you guys going. Let me know, though. I really want to make sure that I can cover any questions on version 2 to help you guys see. Honestly, I wouldn't have bought it if I didn't win that video contest, because to me, I'm not sure that I'm going to get anything extra that I don't already have on the version 1, other than I'm curious about like the diagnostics part it's talking about on the ad, and then also the software upgrades that you're supposed to be able to do whenever they come out, instead of having to send it off with the version 1. That's from 2011, I think it is. I forget. It tells you on the screen. But if they do an update to the software on that, I'm sure I have to take my Shopsmith apart and ship it back up to them to do the upgrade. So if that's true, that's good then. Anyway, I'm looking forward to your comments if you have any. If not, I'll do what I can, and it'll be a good project. It's just some content at least. And where'd my shop dog go? I better go find her. I heard the mail truck come out in front, so she may have ran out to the field. So I got to watch her. Thanks again, you guys, for helping me win the contest. And I look forward to giving you some good information on this latest update. I'm going to stick with the 510 fence. I'm not going to go to the 520. That's also a lot of money, and the fence is fine with the 510 that I've got. So talk to you later.